Hello storytellers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Whether you are a seasoned writer or just starting out, AI tools can help unblock your creativity and take your writing to the next level. In today's video, I will show you 5 free AI tools to boost your story writing. So let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT Free. This AI can help generate ideas, dialogue and even full paragraphs to jumpstart your story. Next is Grammarly. It's not just for grammar, it helps with style, tone and clarity, essential for clean storytelling. Third, Writer. Writer can help you craft compelling stories in minutes by generating creative text based on prompts. Fourth, Plot Generator. Need inspiration? Plot Generator creates unique plots, characters and setting at the click of a button. And finally, we have ProWriting AID. ProWriting AID is an editing powerhouse that improves structure, readability and style. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try this out.